PC case LED lights enhance aesthetics, improve internal visibility, personalize gaming setups, and create immersive RGB lighting effects for modern computer builds. Today's video is about top 5 best PC case LED light strips that are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vetroo LED ARGB light for PC. This addressable RGB LED strip is a great upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their PC setup with vibrant lighting effects. Designed to sync directly with your motherboard, the strip allows you to create stunning lighting patterns that match your system's overall theme. The addressable RGB technology enables each LED to display different colors simultaneously, delivering smooth and dynamic lighting effects for a more immersive gaming or workstation environment. Installation is simple and user-friendly. The package includes a 21.7-inch RGB LED strip, an ARGB extension cable, and 8 sturdy brackets to help secure the strip neatly inside your PC case. These brackets make positioning flexible, ensuring clean cable management and a professional-looking setup. Before installation, it's important to confirm that your motherboard has a 3-pin ARGB header, as this is required for proper synchronization and control. Once connected, the strip can work with compatible motherboard lighting software to customize colors and effects easily. Overall, this ARGB LED strip is a practical and stylish accessory that adds bright, customizable lighting to any compatible PC build. Now our second product is BTF-Lighting RGB Chasing Color LED Strip Light. The WS2811IC addressable RGB LED strip is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create dynamic and programmable lighting effects. Featuring 2835 SMD LEDs with WS2811IC chips, this 9.8-foot strip delivers impressive brightness with 108 LEDs per meter and 18 ICs per meter, allowing one controller to manage groups of 6 LEDs. This design produces smooth, vibrant lighting with the ability to display up to 16 million RGB color combinations. One of the highlights of this LED strip is its chasing color effects. When paired with a compatible controller, it can display stunning animations such as flowing water, curtain-up effects, raindrops, jumping flashes, and many other creative lighting patterns. It supports popular programmable platforms including WLED, Raspberry Pi, and ESP8266, as well as controllers like SP105E, SP611E, SP630E plus RB3, and SP107E music controllers. The strip is cuttable at marked solder points, making it suitable for custom lighting projects, though reconnecting sections requires soldering. With a 24V operating voltage and flexible 8mm design, it's safe, easy to install, and ideal for home decor, bars, cabinets, theaters, restaurants, and DIY lighting setups. Our third product is Xnbada Smart RGB Color Rope Light. The WS2812B Dream Color LED Neon Strip is a creative lighting solution designed for vibrant and dynamic lighting effects. This 3.2-foot strip features 50 LEDs per meter with built-in WS2811 IC chips, allowing each group of LEDs to display colorful, programmable effects. With a compatible controller, users can create static colors, chasing patterns, and special animated lighting effects, making it perfect for decorative and entertainment setups. It works with popular controllers such as SP105E, SP107E, SP108E, SP110E, SP501E, SP601E, as well as programmable options like T1000s and K1000C, controllers sold separately. The strip uses a 360 degrees round silicone tube design, providing smooth, uniform lighting without visible dark spots. Its nylon mesh woven exterior adds durability and a stylish neon appearance. Built with IP67 waterproof protection, the strip performs reliably outdoors and in harsh environments. The flexible silicone tube allows easy bending for custom shapes, making it ideal for DIY lighting projects. Perfect for home decor, game rooms, bedrooms, bars, KTV setups, or outdoor signage. This neon LED strip adds vibrant, customizable lighting to almost any space. Now number 4, Maliigaza COB LED Strip Light. The Maliigaza COB LED Strip Light is a great solution for anyone looking for sleek, high-quality lighting in tight or narrow spaces. With its ultra-thin 5mm, 0.2-inch design, this strip fits easily into areas where standard LED strips might be too wide. Its clean, edge-free design also makes installations look more professional and visually appealing, whether used in kitchens, bedrooms, ceilings, stairways, mirrors, wall backlighting, or even car interiors. One of the standout features is its COB, chip-on-board, technology with an impressive 400 LEDs per meter. This high-density LED layout produces extremely bright, smooth illumination with no visible dark spots, creating a continuous and uniform light line. The strip also offers high color rendering, CRI 90+, ensuring more natural and accurate lighting. The strip is highly flexible and cuttable every 1 centimeter, allowing precise customization for different lighting projects. Operating on safe 12V DC low voltage, it's energy efficient and safe for everyday use. Overall, this COB LED strip is a versatile and stylish lighting option for DIY projects and modern interior lighting setups. And our last choice is Speclux PC RGB Strip Light. The Speclux RGB LED Strip Kit is a great lighting upgrade for gamers who want to enhance the look of their PC case. Designed for motherboards with a 12V 4-pin RGB header, plus 12V GRB, these strips support popular RGB software such as ASUS Aura Sync, ASUS RGB LED, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and MSI Mystic Light, allowing full synchronization with your system's lighting effects. The kit includes 3 11.5-inch RGB strips that produce bright, vibrant lighting, making your PC build look more dynamic and visually impressive. With motherboard software control, you can easily customize colors, create lighting patterns, and match your PC's theme or gaming setup. Installation is quick and convenient. Each strip features 7 strong built-in magnets for attaching directly to the metal chassis, along with high-quality double-sided adhesive for other surfaces. The package also includes a 19.7-inch extension cable and a 12V 3-way splitter, making cable management and connections simple. Overall, the Speclux RGB LED strips are a reliable and stylish option for DIY PC enthusiasts who want synchronized lighting and a more immersive gaming setup. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.